Let's talk about the header and footer. Header is the top of the page that you can see right over here, and the bottom of the page is called footer. There are many ways you can go with it and really edit in header and footer. So one way is to double click on header. So you can see right now, and there are tons of options. And you can see click on here. You can see on footer. Another way is to go to the insert and click on header and footers and click in here, and you have the same menu and you have the same option. So let's click on options and to see what we have. Header and format. Header format is called where you can decide on the margins and layout. So in the header, it says inches from the top. So you can decide on the inches from the top. And you have also footer where you can decide on that. We have layouts as well, like different first page or also different odd and even page. So you can decide on one of these to make your documents look nice and better. We have that options as well in here, different first page. Page numbers. So we have page numbers as well. So the position, where you want to position it, like footer or header. Show on first page as well. You can decide on that. Start at, so you can decide on that. Start at 1 or 10 or 11. So we're going to click on apply. So this is page number 1. We're going to click and hit enter page number 2. You hold the control button and you hit enter or command enter. And you can see right now there is that number in here, and you can decide on that to move it at the center or to add some text for it, like page 1 like that. So you can decide on that as well. Page 1 of, for example, it's 10 pages, so you can see on that page 1 of page 2 of 10, page 3 of 10, and you can decide on that to make the header and footer look nice. So that's about it. And finally, you can remove it. So as well as the header and as well as the footer, you have the same options for that. So that's it about the footer and header. So again, we have page numbers. Now page numbers is the same as that. So in the page numbers, so you can click in here and you can see lots of options in here. You have positioning at the top, bottom. And here, the only difference is really whenever you click on it, and you'll see the difference. You can click in here. I'm going to remove the footer. Okay. And the page number, so I'm going to click on here and click right now. So you can see all the numbers, all the pages are numbered in here. And you can click again, page numbers, and you can decide on this. And for now, it's only page numbering others, so except page number 1. So I think you got my idea. These ones are those that will be numbered all the pages, and they'll post and they'll create all numbers for all pages. But these things will accept and will put an exceptional for page number 1. Okay, so that's the only difference. More options, you will have more options in here, like show on first page or not, and that's it. We have also page count, so you can see there's only 5 page. So you can create professionally like these things. You can click in here, you can say page and insert, and you can click on here, page number 1, and you can say page number 1 of, and you can click again and you go page number count. So you can see right now I did it professionally like that, page number 1 and number 2. Whenever the page goes up, and it itself update itself, so page 6. All right, so that's fantastic about it, and that's amazing. All right, so see you in another part.